What's up, everyone? This Dodge Challenger came in for our Pro Ceramic Coat package along with 35% window film across the vehicle. So we did a full decontamination wash, we did clay bar treatment, and dried it all up so we can polish this paint and get that ceramic coat slapped on. So this ceramic coat package comes with all the trim, paint, wheel faces, and the windshield coated. So if you guys want to book an appointment for ceramic coating, please call 570-221-4240 and book your appointment today so it can look as good as this Dodge Challenger.